Hello guys! Today we will take you on a journey into the fun world of animals. First, we take a look at the cute cats. They always like to play games. Look how Mia plays with her ball. Now cheerful dogs, they are our best friends. Come on, let's run together. Look, colorful birds. They are dancing in the sky. They also love to sing. And here are the cute bunnies. They are happy by jumping. Come on, let's jump with them. Animals, have fun! It's great to play and spend time with them. See you in our next video.